Do your dogs get upset when you leave the house?
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, they do.
Yes. Yeah. I had separated about 4 years ago, and the dog's probably more attached to me because of that. I think. You know, so
definitely.
So when I leave, everybody says, yeah, he gets really upset.
Yeah.
Yeah, he watches us through the window, don't you, Ron?
Yes, he does. Do you think he misses you?
Yes.
Yeah.
No? Quite happy?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's all good.
Perfect.
He can actually settle. So.
Yes.
No.
No, fine to
No.
be on
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, he does.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He sulks and doesn't speak to you when you get back.